What is electrical engineering? Electrical engineering is a branch of engineering that deals with the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. It involves designing, developing, testing, and supervising the manufacturing of electrical equipment and systems, including power generation, transmission, and distribution systems, as well as communication systems and electronic devices. Electrical engineers work with a wide range of technologies and systems, such as electric motors, transformers, circuit boards, semiconductors, and telecommunications systems. They also design and develop new technologies, such as renewable energy sources and advanced electronic devices, and work to improve existing technologies to make them more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective. In addition, electrical engineers are also involved in research and development, management, and consulting in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, telecommunications, transportation, healthcare, and more.